Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the DramaBox update stuck on waiting or not even showing up in the App Store? Here's how to force it through. First, go ahead and open your App Store and tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner. Next, pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. After that, look for the drama box in the list of apps and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold the drama box icon on your home screen. Tap pause download, then tap it again and tap resume download to restart it. If it keeps failing, go to your settings, then go to general. Next, go to iPhone storage and confirm that you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space since updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused apps and retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings or from the control center before retrying if the download keeps failing. So all you've got to do is App Store pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, try mobile data, drama box updates, and that's it. Subscribe.